Many people wonder if their eyesight can get better if it's bad. The answer is yes, but it's not simple. It depends on the severity of the vision problem as well as the lifestyle, what eye exercises and relaxation techniques are, how they work, and how they can benefit you. What are eye exercises and relaxation techniques? Eye exercises and relaxation techniques are methods that aim to improve the functionality and eye health of the eyes by stretching the eye muscle, stimulating the visual cortex, and reducing eye strain. Relaxation techniques help to eliminate tension from your eyes. Relaxing your eyes can heal them and perform better. Before performing eye exercises, you need to relax your eyes. Blinking is the most important eye exercise. Blinking helps to lubricate the eyes and prevent dryness and irritation. It should be done every second, especially when working at a computer or reading for a long time. Second, eye exercises and relaxation techniques can improve your eyesight, improving your vision quality. By doing eye exercises and relaxation techniques, you can improve your vision quality by reducing blurriness and improving clarity. You can also improve your visual acuity, sharpness of vision, contrast sensitivity, ability to distinguish between shades, and depth perception ability to perceive distances and heights. Prevention of bad vision. Preventing vision deterioration. By doing exercises and relaxation techniques, you can prevent vision deterioration by keeping your eyes healthy and functional. You can also slow down the progression of some of eye problems, such as glaucoma, increased pressure in the eyes, macular degeneration, deterioration of the central part of the retina, or cataracts, clouding of the lens. Enhancing your vision. Enhancing your visual performance by doing eye exercises and relaxation techniques. You can enhance your visual performance. You can also improve your visual skills for specific tasks, such as driving, sports, or gaming. Eye exercises and relaxation techniques are methods that aim to improve the function and health of the eyes. You can try eye training course Eyesight Academy to improve your vision with the best possible eye exercises. A link in the description below.